Hi everyone, today we're talking about something super important for staying safe online, turning off location sharing on social media. It sounds complicated, but I promise it's easy. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at protecting your privacy. We all love sharing our lives online, pictures of grandkids, funny stories, maybe even that delicious cake you baked. But sharing our location is different. It can put our privacy and even our safety at risk. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step. We'll learn exactly what location sharing is and how to turn it off. You'll be amazed how simple it is to take control of your information and stay safe online. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Imagine you're posting a photo on Facebook. You're at your favorite restaurant enjoying a meal with family. Without realizing it, you might be sharing your exact location with everyone who sees your post. That's location sharing. It's a feature on many social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. When you have it turned on, the app can see where you are using your phone's GPS. It might seem harmless. Maybe you think it's just a fun way to show friends where you are. But let's talk about why it's important to think twice before sharing your whereabouts with the world. Keep reading to learn more about the risks and how to protect yourself. Think of your location like your home address. You wouldn't want to shout it out to strangers on the street, right? Well, sharing your location online is kind of like that. When you share your location, you're telling the world exactly where you are. This can be risky. Strangers might see your location and know when you're not home, or companies could use it to send you targeted ads, even if you don't want them. Remember, your location is your personal information. It's important to keep it private and only share it with people you trust. In the next section, we'll talk about some of the dangers of sharing your location with the wrong people. Stay tuned. Sadly, there are people out there who want to take advantage of others. These are scammers, and they often use tricks to steal information or money. Location sharing can make it easier for them to target you. For example, a scammer might see that you're on vacation far from home. They could then send you a fake message pretending to be your bank or a family member in trouble. They might even know what hotel you're staying at. This makes their scam seem more real, and you might be more likely to fall for it. Remember, if something online seems too good to be true or makes you feel uncomfortable, it's probably a scam. Don't be afraid to report suspicious messages, and always double check with someone you trust before giving out personal information or money. Stay vigilant. Keep your home safe. The link between location sharing and burglaries. We all want to feel safe and secure in our homes. But did you know that sharing your location online can sometimes increase the risk of burglary? It's true. If a burglar can see you're away from home, they might be more likely to target your house. They could use your location updates to figure out when you're on vacation or even just out for the evening. It's like leaving a sign on your door that says, "Nobody's home." We definitely don't want to do that. Don't worry. We can easily prevent this by simply turning off location sharing. We'll show you how in just a bit. Take control. You decide what to share. You have the power to decide what information you share online, including your location. It's your right to keep your personal life private. Remember, social media companies don't need to know your every move. They might make it seem like everyone is sharing their location, but that's not true. Many people choose to keep their whereabouts to themselves, and you can too. In the next section, we'll go over some simple tips for using social media mindfully and protecting your privacy. Let's keep going. Be smart online. Tips for mindful social media use. Social media can be a great way to stay connected with loved ones and enjoy fun content. It allows us to share moments, stay updated with family and friends, and even discover new hobbies and interests. But it's important to be mindful of what we share and how we use these platforms. Being cautious can help us avoid potential pitfalls and ensure a positive experience. Here are a few simple tips to stay safe and protect your privacy. Think before you post. Always consider the impact of your words and images. Before sharing anything online, ask yourself if you're comfortable with the whole world seeing it. Adjust your privacy settings. This is crucial for maintaining control over your personal information. Most social media platforms let you control who sees your posts and personal information. Take advantage of these features to safeguard your privacy. Take some time to explore these settings and make sure you're only sharing with people you trust. Regularly review your settings to stay updated with any changes. Be wary of suspicious messages. They can often be scams or phishing attempts. Never click on links from unknown senders or give out personal information unless you're sure it's safe. Always verify the source before taking any action. Report any harassment or abuse. This helps keep the online community safe for everyone. If you experience or witness any online harassment, don't hesitate to report it to the social media platform. Your actions can make a difference. Remember, you have the right to a safe and enjoyable online experience. Stay informed, stay cautious, and enjoy the benefits of social media responsibly. Location sharing. Weighing the pros and cons for seniors. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the risks of location sharing, but are there any benefits for seniors? Let's explore this a bit more. Well, there are a couple of situations where it might be helpful. For instance, if you are in an unfamiliar place, imagine you're lost or having a medical emergency. These situations can be quite stressful. If you've shared your location with a trusted family member or friend, they can easily find you and get you help fast. This can be a real lifesaver. However, it's important to remember that even in these cases, there are other ways to stay safe, like carrying a personal alarm or sharing your itinerary with loved ones. These methods can also provide peace of mind. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use location sharing is a personal one. It depends on your comfort level and specific needs. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and choose what feels right for you. Consider discussing it with family members or friends to get their input. Remember, your safety and privacy are the top priorities. Make the choice that best supports your well-being and peace of mind. Your digital safety net. Recapping the benefits of turning off location sharing. In this section, we will revisit the key advantages of taking control of your location settings. Congratulations, you've learned so much about location sharing and how to protect your privacy. It's time to celebrate your newfound knowledge and the steps you've taken to safeguard your personal information. Let's recap the benefits of turning it off. Here are the main reasons why disabling location sharing can be a game changer for your digital safety. Enhanced privacy. Keep your whereabouts to yourself and avoid sharing personal information with strangers. This means you have more control over who knows your location at any given time. Reduced risk of scams. Make it harder for scammers to target you with location-based tricks. By turning off location sharing, you minimize the chances of falling victim to these deceptive tactics. Improved home security. Lower the risk of burglary by not broadcasting when you're away from home. This simple step can make a significant difference in keeping your home safe. Greater peace of mind. Enjoy social media without worrying about who's tracking your every move. You can now browse, post, and connect with friends and family without the constant concern of being monitored. Remember, you're in control of your online experience. Taking charge of your privacy settings empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. By making smart choices about your privacy settings, you can stay safe, secure, and connected with the people who matter most. Your online interactions can be both enjoyable and secure. That's it for today, folks. Stay tuned for more tech tips. Keep learning and stay safe online.